Experiencing internet issues with your Optus modem? Restarting it is often the quickest fix. This can resolve temporary glitches, refresh your connection, and restore optimal performance. We'll cover two main methods: power cycling and using the My Optus app. Power cycling involves unplugging your modem from the power outlet, waiting 30 to 60 seconds, and plugging it back in. This clears the modem's memory and reestablishes the connection with the Optus network. The My Optus app offers a convenient remote reboot option, allowing you to restart your modem from your smartphone. Let's walk through the steps for restarting your Optus modem. For power cycling, 1. Unplug the power cord from the back of your modem. 2. Wait at least 30 seconds. 3. Plug the power cord back in. 4. Wait for the modem to power on and the internet light to turn green. For the My Optus app, 1. Open the app and log in. 2. Navigate to the modem section. 3. Select Restart Device and confirm. Beyond restarts, check your cables for damage and ensure they're securely connected. If problems persist, consult the Optus support website or contact their customer service for further assistance. Regularly restarting your modem can proactively prevent minor issues.